ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মিডিয়া গিল্ড আইএমজির পক্ষ থেকে সিংহবাদী অভিনন্দন এবং আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আইএমজি সকল ধরনের প্রতিবাদের স্বীকৃতি এবং সম্মান জানাতে চাই এবং বিশেষ করে মিডিয়া ব্যক্তিদের অধিকার সচেতনতা এবং উন্নতির জন্য কাজ করে। আমাদের আন্তর্জাতিক মিডিয়া গিল্ড সকলকেই সংযুক্ত করা, এর প্রতিপাদ্য অনুসারে আমরা পর্যায়ক্রমে আমাদের সমাজের প্রতি তাদের চমৎকার অবদানের জন্য অসামান্য অর্জনকারীদের সম্মানিত করতে চাই। এই প্রসঙ্গে আইএমজি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইন্সপায়ারিং রোল মডেল এক্সেলেন্স অ্যাওয়ার্ড 11 জানুয়ারি 2026 আজ ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মিডিয়া গিল্ড আইএমজি এর পক্ষ থেকে সিংহবাদী অভিনন্দন এবং আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আইএমজি সকল ধরনের প্রতিবাদের স্বীকৃতি এবং সম্মান জানাতে চায় এবং বিশেষ করে মিডিয়া ব্যক্তিদের অধিকার সচেতনতা এবং উন্নতির জন্য কাজ করে। আমাদের আন্তর্জাতিক মিডিয়া গিল্ড সকলকে সংযুক্ত করা, এর প্রতিপাদ্য অনুসারে আমরা পর্যায়ক্রমে আমাদের সমাজের প্রতি তাদের চমৎকার অবদানের জন্য অসামান্য অর্জনকারীদের সম্মানিত করতে চাই। এ প্রসঙ্গে আইএমজি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইন্সপায়ারিং রোল মডেল এক্সেলেন্স অ্যাওয়ার্ড।
First of all, again, I would like to congratulate Mr. Ramesh, all the way coming from Karnataka to grace this occasion. He is very much eligible to get this award. He has been receiving more than 1,000 awards so far, and this is a unique award which has been instituted in the name of Deshbandhu and Netaji combinedly at this prestigious press club. I am very much honored that I was the witness of this great event where Mr. Ramesh was awarded with this unique award. Mr. Ramesh is a multidimensional talented person. He has his contribution in many fields, in almost all the fields of our life, whatever we can think of. And once again, I would like to congratulate him and wish him good health with good vibes, good dynamism, so that he can continue his work for the nation. In fact, he is a true son of our soil. He said that he is a son of soil, but I would like to say he is a true son of soil, doing so many activities for the welfare of the entire humanity on the earth. Thank you so much, Mr. Ramesh again, for gracing this occasion, and thank you all the press and media persons for covering this.
Jananiya Tanujate, Jai He Karnataka Mate. In this Kannadave Satya, Kannadave Nitya, Jai Bangla. Actually, I am very grateful to Dr. Suresh Kumar Agarwal ji. A lot of kind words say about it. It make me, actually, he is a beautiful soul. He is very inspiring personally, and especially I am very much attached with Dr. Deepa Das. I always telling that in Kolkata, she is my sister come mother. And even here also, actually, Hennallu Kande, Taitanava, Gandallu Kandetana. Even from women also I got motherly word, and men also like that Siddhartha Gangopadhyay. See, like that I have affection, and I am very much thankful to IMG, International Media Guild, and Ashish and his friends and everybody. And especially I am very much grateful to Kolkata media people and West Bengal media people, because I am also basically from media background, but Kolkata Press Club has great history. Today, one good thing, in the name of who is my inspiring, like the Deshbandhu Chittananda, she is a very inspiring personality. Tyagshe Balidalse, he sacrificed a lot of things. And Netaji Subhash Chandra also sacrificed his life also. In the name of Subhash Chandra Bose, in the name of Deshbandhu, like that Deshbandhu Chittananda, I got this, and I am really dhanya. But I am saying, really, say one thing I have to, both of them, they are journalists. Deshbandhu Chittananda is also a journalist, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also journalist. In Press Club of Janata, I am receiving this. I am also journalist, like that. But in this aspect, we have to recall how they sacrificed, how they struggled, how much they got pain, how much they contributed to the beautiful and divine steps they lived in Kolkata, not only in India. We have to recall, we have to give value for the freedom movement. That's my humble request. Today, what I am saying in front of my sister and my brother also, I am telling that we don't know the value of freedom. Swatantra kya tag se baldan se aaya tha na, we have to think about, we have to salute it. And Chitranand Jasti, he as an eminent advocate, as he sacrificed and given his whole property to all from medical hospital, such a sacrification, we have to think all politicians, whether central government and state government, they have to learn from Chittaranjan Das ji and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gandhi, Ambedkar, because pehle politics is service. Now all politicians turned into business. Pehle education is service. Now all politicians turned into business. Pehle health is service. Now turned into a business. See, this movement we have to think about. We have to, they are inspiring what they sacrificed. All the beautiful divine, see, in front of Jesus in spiritual path. I am very much inspired by Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, Mate Sharda Devi, Arvinda Ghosh, Ramana Maharshi. And tomorrow we are going to celebrating one beautiful divine source, a spiritual source, Swami Vivekananda Ji's Youth, National Youth Day. They presented, I'm get excited. Today they presented pen, they presented with love and care and concern, affection. They given lot of, actually Suresh Agarwal ji, you have to take another suitcase to carry all these gift things to. I'm always grateful to, I'm very, very always grateful to all media peoples, West Bengal peoples, your love, care, concern, I'm always. So what I'm saying, Yesho Exonge Banchi, Yesho Exonge Sushti Kore, Yesho Exonge Jivandare, Yesho Exonge Prakashman Hoye, Kudona, Katona, Balona, Balagona, Sangu Milenge, Sang Rachenge, Sang Jinge, Sang Kilenge. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together. Jai Kannada, Jai Bangla, Jai Bharat, Jai Jagat, Jai Ganga, Jai Kaveri. Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad. Grateful to all media peoples, West Bengal peoples, your love, care, concern, I'm always. So what I'm saying, Yesho Exonge Banchi, Yesho Exonge Sushti Kore, Yesho Exonge Jivandare, Yesho Exonge Prakashman Hoye, Kudona, Katona, Balona, Badagona, Sangu Milenge, Sang Rachenge, Sang Jinge, Sang Kilenge. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together. Jai Kannada, Jai Bangla, Jai Bharat, Jai Jagat, Jai Ganga, Jai Kaveri. Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad.
Thank you. I request everyone to